Right guys, here at Brayford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Finishes off scent. Right then guys, this is a bit different as well. We've got an early closure for the 1407 to Scunthorpe, 2p67. Right, so the time now is 1402. Come on. Yeah, 1402. Hang on. And to Leicester. If you look carefully in the corner, you'll see the time. The train. So I'm on the RTT page right now, and I better put my phone back off because it's only on 20%. I've got to save the battery. Oh, here she is. There's a pacer from Scunthorpe. 142032. 142032 to Lincoln. I know we're in Lincoln, but it says it on the train. And that was pretty early. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.